Hi guys, so I'm not here today, but I just want to remind you what you need to do. You're going to go to current unit. You're going to go all the way down to test nav practice. You need to open this for the Go formative. You also need to find this. It's called test nav. You're going to open it up. You're going to, once it opens, click Virginia practice items. Going to go to Algebra 1, 2016 non-audio. Start. You're going to accept the terms. And you're going to go ahead. Remember, in Go formative, so let's just go back. You click on the test nav practice. And you're going to put your answers in the document. You need to put all your answers because we're going to go over it on Thursday. Okay? I look forward to seeing you. Miss you guys. See you on Thursday. Bye.